Here is the most common application of the trigonometry, where we try to find out the height of a tower or the distance of a particular point from the base of the tower. So the question is related to the height and distance. It says that a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. Basically, this point, point C, is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, which is point B. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. This is the angle. And what is the angle of elevation? The angle through which you look at the top of something. So that is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. That means we need to find out the height of the tower. That is this. Okay. So here is the triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. We know the basics of a trigonometry. Okay. So we have an angle of elevation that is 60 degree. We need to find out the height. We have the base 15. So the most probable and most useful trigonometric function over here will be the tan theta. So tan theta is equals to height over base. Right? What is theta over here? That's 60 degree. And height over here is that we need to find h, and the base is 50. What is the value of tan 60? That is root 3, right? We should know about the value of all the angles of the tan, sine, cos, right? So tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay. And tan 90 is undefined, or we can say infinite. So root 3 is equals to h by 15. So what will be the h? H will be 15 root 3 meter. That will be our answer. So that is the height of the tower. So the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meter. So it is an electric pole or an electric tower, and the height of this electric tower is 15 root 3. Okay. So I hope you understand that what is the basic application of a trigonometric functions like tan, sine, or cos. This was an example of using the tan theta to find out the height of a tower. Thank you.